Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's often overlooked, but can have a significant impact on our daily lives: cleaning and making up our beds. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that a bit mundane? But hear me out. Making your bed in the morning can actually have a positive impact on your mood and productivity. It's a small but powerful habit that can help you start your day on a positive note. On the other hand, leaving your bed unmade can lead to a cluttered and unorganized space, which can be mentally draining. So, let's make a commitment to ourselves to make our beds every morning. And while we're at it, let's also take a few minutes to clean up our rooms. A tidy space can help us feel more relaxed and focused, and it can even improve our sleep quality. So, let's make a habit of cleaning and making up our beds every day. It's a small change that can have a big impact on our lives. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to live a happier and healthier life. Until next time, take care and happy cleaning.